Millie. Millie. Oh, you're stuck. What are you stuck on? Come on. Not even stuck. He loves the snow. You love the snow, don't you, Millie? Look at you. Look at you.
All right, so I finally got an update for y'all about the Elantra. So it took me forever to go ahead and get the part because I was just worried about other things. I wasn't really worried about this. Now, let me see if y'all can see this or not. All right, look like y'all can see it. Now, look at this. It says it's coming tomorrow, bro. I'm finally getting my thing tomorrow to go ahead and fix that Elantra, man. So I am just now getting the CV axle. I got to go ahead and get like a couple other things for the suspension too. But yeah, man, we finally going ahead and getting this taken care of, bro. So I can finally go ahead and get this car back on the road because it's just been sitting in my garage since Vegas. Also, I just bled my brakes here in my Optima. Man, the difference some new brake fluid will do. Like, it's crazy. It's so much better. It's night and day. All right, so maybe I should record this, but I'm actually working on the Elantra right now. So here's the thing, the package did not get here. So it was supposed to be here today, but the thing is, the business I get my packages shipped to is closed. But I wanted to go and get the CVX off anyway, and just look at this, bro. It's bad. I ain't even gonna lie. Look at that. Okay, let me see if I can get it in the camera. Do you see that? Look how bad that is. That's bad. No wonder it won't work no more. So I went ahead to grab my Milwaukee because those bolts are pretty, like, I already knew it was gonna be pretty rusted on there, and it was like drill, like it got right through it, but I know I couldn't get it. But yeah, so that's the CV axle. Just waiting for it to get in the mail. So they're actually closed today and tomorrow, so I won't get it till Monday. And today is actually Friday right now. So yeah, I'm gonna have to wait till then, but at least I can go and get this off now. I'm just trying to watch this YouTube video on how to get it off. Shout out to fixing cars and stuff on YouTube. I never actually did this before, so oh yeah, that is pretty bad. Whew, yeah, we got some work to do with this. Oh man, that looks delicious. Look at all that right there. And then we gotta kind of probably clean all this up too. So yeah, I gotta get on that. My eyes keep burning, so I have to keep getting some fresh air. Oh man. Oh, wow, wait. Oh yeah, that's bad. Hold on a second. Oh man, I did not know it was gonna be like that. It's literally dripping right now. All right, so we got it out. I can't believe it, but we did. That's a lot easier than I thought and scarier than it should be, because like a CV axle should not come out that easily. But it did. All right, man, I'm happy. I ain't gonna lie, so it shouldn't be that hard to get it back in there. So at this point, I'm just gonna have to wait till Monday and the car just gonna have to sit here like this. All right, so I ain't show y'all because I actually don't got my hat clip on me, but I did go ahead and replace the CV axle. It was pretty easy to go ahead and get that thing back in, so that was decent. Now the battery did die on me again, so this do need a new battery, and it's in soul mode, which means that there's actual crystals in the battery. So now I got to go ahead and get that taken care of, and it just needs a new battery. But the tire back here went flat. I know I need a new tire back there, and then now I'm gonna need a new battery. But let's just go ahead and just see if we can turn this thing on now as it is, because I mean the lights and everything do come on in this car, as you can see, so maybe it'll start. I guess it don't hurt to try. I wonder if I go ahead and turn this thing off, what it'll do. Let's see, if I turn this thing off, can I actually still get some power in here? I can. I mean, we have 12 volts. I mean, we could try to see what happens. Yeah. Now for the next important test, I gotta go ahead and see if I can drive away. It's literally been a month since I've been able to drive this car away, so I'm gonna go and try and see if I can now. Man, what a crazy experience. All right, turn on the headlights. All right, man, y'all ready? Let's see. Oh my God, we're back in business. Let's go. Oh my God, I'm so happy I got my car back, bro. It's been way too long since I've been able to drive this thing, and we can again. Oh man, that's so satisfying. That is so satisfying. We got my baby back. Ooh, I can't believe it. My baby's back. She's driving on the road again. Oh, I'm so happy. All right, so I've been driving this thing for a little bit now. We back in business. The only thing I really got to do left with this car now is to go ahead and just replace the tire. I know this thing needs a new battery and a couple other things. Obviously, like the whole suspension needs an overhaul. I'm kind of trying to avoid having this thing back in a AAA tow truck, so I'm trying to go and get a couple of things. Like, I know I need to go ahead and get me a lower ball joint. They're cheap, so I really don't know what's taking me so long to get it. And the lower ball joint is actually pretty easy to do. So when I get to the crib, I'm about to go ahead and order that and go and take care of that just once and for all. And then just, I need to look at what else I need with the suspension. It's just something about this car though, man. Like I think you get like an emotional connection to a car like once you drive it for a while and like you get used to it. And it's like this specific VIN number I'm used to. I love this car, man. I know the muffler's messed up, but that's just part of the fun right there. I'm telling you, literally everybody wants to race me all the time in this car. And they literally just wanted to race me as soon as I got out in the street for the first time. Somebody wanted to race me in this thing. I think they just hear loud car equals fast car. No, that's not always the case. It's just a shit box, bro. I hear that all the time. And what's funny is I was just editing a video for my Push Start POV channel, and it was actually a Kia shit box, and it was like the most garbage shit box I've ever seen, and it was just loud. Would I look at that car myself and think, man, that thing must be pretty fast, I want to race? No, they must, like, I understand they can tune in whatever, they can like go ahead and do whatever, but I doubt it. I'm pretty sure it just needs a new muffler, and oh, there's a cop like coming down my way. So yep, it used to mess me a lot in this thing. Oh, that's not a cop. But yeah, I'm about to go and order some more parts for this, and then I guess we'll see where we go from there. But actually, let me go and check the list here. I'm pretty sure I got CV axle on my list for the Elantra now. Suspension issue, yes, we know it's not just that generic no more. So let's go ahead and see. Let's see here. I didn't put it in there? What? I did not put CV axle in here. Okay, that's surprising. Let's see, suspension issue. I still got the suspension issue. It's just the whole suspension, basically. Catalytic converter O2 sensor, I ain't doing that. Muffler, I don't even know if I'm gonna touch that, to be honest with you. Door handle, I've been looking on eBay everywhere, and you know how hard it is to find a door handle? For a blue door handle, like that's just already blue, like I don't have to go and get it painted or whatever, it's very hard to find. Like, that's crazy. Some window switches don't work, I still didn't fix that. Parking brake seats, I ain't fixed that. AC, wheel alignment, okay, so nothing's changing. All right, fam, so here's the thing. So I'm actually on my way to the Hyundai dealership right now to go ahead and bring this Hyundai there, because there's actually a couple recalls on this, and I didn't even know there's a couple recalls, but there's been recalls for years now, so I'm gonna go and take care of it now. There's actually a couple recalls for this, and I don't even remember what it was, but I'm about to go and check right now and see. We almost at 220,000 miles though. I thought I was already at 220,000 miles, but right now we actually at, let me see once I get my steering wheel back, 219,714. My God, that is crazy, bro. Like, this thing is actually really doing really good for me, man. I'm actually running mad late though. Let me see, like, how far are we actually at from the dealership? Oh wait, no, I'm tripping. Oh, my appointment is at 2, not 1:30. Okay, so I guess I'm all right. So I'm really gonna be early to my appointment. It says that my appointment's at 2, not 1:30. I thought it was, I swear, I thought it was at 1:30. So I'm looking right now. It looks like there's an update for the electric power steering software update, and then there's what else is going on here? Something about an airbag recall. So yeah, let's go and get that taken care of, and I'm gonna have to go and give me a shuttle back to the crib and go and get to my other car so I can go to the Honda dealership so I can go and get my tires rotated. I could just do it myself, but I don't feel like it, so I'm gonna just go ahead and go to the Honda dealership and have them do it since I bought my tires from there. And like, I don't know, man, I got my laptop, I'll be all right. Still does what it needs to do. Still does what it needs to do. Hyundai, oh shit, did I miss my turn? Hyundai of Kenosha. I have no idea if they're gonna take me early, but I might as well try. All the way to the door? I have a recall appointment, but I'm just here a little bit early. I was supposed to have been here at 2. So I didn't know if it was too early for me to be here or not.
That's fine. This is for the Push Start shop?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, is that what the car's registered to?
Oh, well, no, I don't know why I put that. That was my YouTube channel's name, but...
That's from 2011.
Yeah, I saw that.
I don't even know if we can do that, Dan, can we?
Yeah, I can move you to 7:30.
It's the ACU reprogramming. Perfect. From 2011.
Yeah, I thought I saw something about a power steering update or
There's
something.
an electronic power steering software update. That's from 2015. Can we do? Okay. So I'm not even going to write your car up because I can't do either of them.
Okay.
You need a dealer that's older than we are. We're only 5 years old.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I've never been here before, so
No,
you know, it's just
gotcha.
new for me. Do you know, like maybe Racine, maybe?
Racine or Gurney would be able to do it because we just don't have the equipment because that's way older than we are. So.
Okay, so don't rely on Kenosha for future recalls or something like that. I mean, it's not their fault really. They just open, but like, man. All right, what's next? I guess I gotta go ahead and grab my Kia now. Go ahead, drop that off at the dealership, which is in the next city over, which is Racine. Now, what do they have over there? Oh my God, this radio is so annoying right now. What do they have over here? Just Palisades and Santa Fe's and Elantras, Sonatas, whatever. I guess just typical Hyundais. Oh, Ioniq 5s. That Ioniq 5 does look nice, man. I see it all over the place. And I know somebody personally that has an Ioniq 5. He lives in Buffalo, New York. He talked very highly of his Hyundai Ioniq, but then there's also people I've seen on YouTube that literally has a Ioniq YouTube channel, and he been basically complaining that his battery failed and a couple other things. Like, I don't know, man. Like, it's been a mess for him.